Would you throw away a refrigerator you just bought because the light bulb went out? Let's say your washing machine stops working 3 years in. Do you toss it and buy a new one? Well, maybe you would, or maybe you'd check to see if it's less expensive to repair your appliance. Get a professional to take a look. You know, back in the day, roofing companies repaired roofs all the time. But as people got more comfortable with throwing things away, the same was true for their roof. Nowadays, only a small percentage of roofing companies service or repair roofs. That's because it's easier and more profitable to replace a roof. It's not better for the environment. It's not better for your wallet, and it may not even be better for your house, as shingles have gotten lighter and thinner and aren't lasting as long as the ones made the last time your home had a re-roof. What's more, if you maintain something, say changing the oil in your car, well, it's going to last much longer than if you simply ignore it and hope for the best. Roofs are now maintainable thanks to Roof Maxx and their natural, safe roof rejuvenation treatment that penetrates down into the asphalt shingle, restoring its strength and flexibility. As part of your Roof Maxx service, you can get a leak threat analysis and a roof tune-up where a professional will check for the most leak-prone areas in a roof. Then, the Roof Maxx treatment goes on to protect the shingles themselves and keep the roof performing like a new roof, slowing granule loss and restoring flexibility. Just go to roofmax.com, put in your zip code, and get a free quote and leak threat analysis.